Are you struggling to relax and get a good night's sleep? Welcome to this guided breathing practice to relax and unwind. Hi, I'm Mike, your English yoga teacher. こんにちは、英語でヨガ教師マイクです。You will practice the 4-8 relaxed breathing. Come onto your bed. To begin, lie down on your back. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your stomach. Your right hand should remain still and your left hand will go up and down with your breath as you practice. Close your eyes. You'll double the length of the exhale. You'll inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 8. This will significantly increase the relax response. I want you to control the exhale so you can slowly let the breath out without running out of air. Let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax both hands down to your side. Eyes remain closed. Breathe a natural breath. Thank you so much for joining this breathing practice. You can now go to sleep if you feel ready. If you are struggling to get to sleep, please try this 10-minute yoga flow, which has been designed to help you get a good night's sleep. Good night and sweet dreams.